Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we got on the chopping block is a lot of people's favorites, and I've been pressured to make it too, so I was gonna hold off on it, but here it is. It's mac and cheese. Alright, and today with this mac and cheese, we're going to be making us some deep fried bacon mac and cheese bites today. Alright, macaroni's already been cooked like yesterday. So, yeah, I had made some, I think it was a Boston steak, pork steak. So I made some macaroni that day and put the rest up. So it got to be cold. So what you're going to do is I put, let's see, a cup of mozzarella in it. And I put some bacon in it, like a cup and a half of that. So you just want to mix this up, just like so. Now, I want mine a little spicy, and I'm trying to trick the kids. Because they're going to go through it. They would have ate up all this macaroni had I told them not to mess with it. Because I wanted to make some mac bites. And I said, well, let's go ahead and throw some bacon in it too. Alright, because I know the macaroni on point. Alright, let me go ahead and get this pepper. This is a half of jalapeno gutted out. That meaning I took out all the seeds. So we're just going to slice these up real thin. Now if you want it spicy, you want to leave the seeds in, okay? So we're just going to dice these up into little small pieces. Should have had my bigger knife, but I ain't worried about it. Okay. Take those, put that in there. You want to make it a little bit more colorful, you can take you some parsley flakes and put that in it. I'll go ahead and do that for you just to make it a little bit more prettier. It don't have flavor to it really. So this is my parsley flakes. About a tablespoon. Alright. Yeah, that's about a teaspoon actually. Now if you wanted to make it a little bit more, I mean mine's is okay. Mine's is good to go. I put mustard and all that stuff in mine. If you want to add a little bit more twang to it, you can put you a little bit more mustard. If you got the like the seasoning mustard instead of prepared mustard, that'll work best. We're just mixing this up, incorporating it. Could have used a bigger spoon. I'm being lazy today, y'all. I'm sorry. Alright, that's what we got right here. So we're gonna. This is breading right here. This is seasoning breading. It has some cheese like Romana in it, and like parsley flakes and all that stuff. Alright, this is my flour. This is my egg batter. Now with this egg batter, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons and squeeze some of that in there. About 2 tablespoons. Alright. We're going to take this, put it on this pan. Get your cooking sheet. This thing going to take that long because it's already like cold. Alright. Now you can make the little balls if you want to. You just try to make like thick like. Just want to spread it out evenly. And I have some parchment paper up under it so I can work with it a little bit better. Lift it up out of there. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for about a good hour. before we start doing our egg batters and all that extra stuff. Okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and put it in the freezer for about an hour and a half or whatever. And then I'll show you guys what we're gonna be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just took them out the freezer. This is what they look like. And we're just gonna go ahead and do a couple of them. I did cut them up. Take your thing, put it in it. Well, I did that wrong already. Put it in your flour first, okay? Don't do what I just did. Put it in your flour first, because that's how we're gonna coat it. Just like that. Now I go to your batter. Alright? Take in your breadcrumbs right here. Do a couple of them like that first. And you gotta, you know how your macaroni pretty stiff, but after a while it starts going melting on you. So you just want to be a little bit quick. Give me some tongs or something. I really hate touching the batter and stuff like that. So I take this lid, it has some flour on it. I'm just going to use that. I don't really have to, but I'm going to. So here's my tongs. Put some on there like that. So you flip it on each side. Set them over to the side. That's all you do. Just like that. Put it over there. You see why it got to be stiff. Okay. So that's how they look. I'm going to go ahead and deep fry them. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to take these bad boys till the grease is hot and just like put them in there. Just like that. Don't overcrowd your thing, okay? So it can't go south on you real quick. I'm gonna put 4 of these bad boys in there. Maybe 5. I see another little spot. Alright. You just want to cook that to get golden brown. Should take no more than about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. Delicious deep fried bacon mac and cheese bites. This is it right here. And these just little chicken I have sitting around in the refrigerator that I gotta do a meal with, so I ain't need all of them pieces, so that's why that's there. And I won't mess with my thumbnail. I already bit a piece off. Okay, this is that. And this is that. You guys like that? Go ahead, come around here and get you guys a bite. You get that one. All right. And it's delicious. Tastes pretty good. Want another bite? All right. You guys, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already did it, comment. Let me know how I'm doing for you guys. I got some other recipes. I got plenty of recipes, unlimited almost. So I'll see you guys next time I'm still eating. This is why I don't eat and talk at the same time. So I'll see you guys next time at Veldog's Kitchen. Alright, in a minute, Veldog is signing out.